Oh, you're fine. They're just like, who is this guy? I get it all the time.
They're nice. They'll run away from you before they do anything.
Yeah. Alright, take care. Damn, bro, those Molos came at me. I was like, y'all seem friendly. When you got two of them to show up, it's like, oh shoot. Never mind. Dang, get out the way, birds! Freaking quails. Well, it's almost 7:30. I didn't get to 7. But we're getting there. Shoot. Am I gonna make it to the concert? Yeah. Am I gonna see the whole performance? I don't know. Probably get there like 8:30. And the show started at 6:30, but I mean, they got like 3 openers. Alrighty, 7:32. Damn. But I could have been done at 7 if this freaking slide door wasn't being a hoe. I was just sitting duck for a hot minute.